Yeah. 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 That's right. Okay. Okay. Oh. Oh, sure. Sure. Let him come. Let him. Fine, fine. Yeah, really fine. Yeah, it's comfortable, most comfortable. Thank you, thank you.
You can come inside also.
Let him also look at that. You know him?
No.
He's the program chairman, you know him?
Oh, yes. No.
Take it.
Which yeah. I'm in
Thank you, thank you.
Okay, let's start the event now.
Oh, lunch. Yeah, I know him. I met him. Yeah. Your speech I have uploaded into the internet also. Yeah, that's right. I mentioned your name also without asking your permission. Yesterday also you were here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, yeah. We'll go.
Very fun. Good morning to everybody gathered over here. I'm given a picture over here. It's a caricature, and I'm asked to say something on it. And I feel that on seeing this, many will be having many types of imagination in their mind. Like imagination varies from people to people. What I'm thinking when I look into this picture is not what you are percepting from this picture. So what I see about this is that this is a way of communication going on right here. Because communication, because two persons are there, they are trying to speak something to each other. So this could be awkward. Because a person is sitting here and is doing something, there's a laptop, phone, everything is in a setting of an office. So this could be an office room. And that could be the manager, because there is a rolling chair of the manager, usually you will see sitting on that and speaking to the other person. So, but in office setups, what you usually see is the person won't be peeping inside through a window. That is very not normal in a normal setting case. But still he's peeping out, so it could be like looking, or it could be a friendly chat between a friend of his in his office. Another possibility is that this could be a